Welcome back for another Best Home and Garden Ideas. Today we're exploring one of the most versatile outdoor features you can add to your backyard: pergolas. From traditional designs to innovative concepts, we'll take you through 50 pergola ideas that will not only transform your outdoor space, but also create the perfect ambiance for relaxation, dining, or entertaining guests. Whether you're working with a small patio or a sprawling backyard, there's a pergola style here for you. So grab a notepad and get ready to be inspired. Let's start with the classic wooden pergola. Rustic, natural, and elegant, a wooden pergola instantly adds a touch of warmth and character to your outdoor space. This design is ideal for traditional gardens and cozy backyards. Depending on your aesthetic preferences, it can be built with cedar, redwood, or pine. The beauty of wooden pergolas lies in their flexibility. You can leave the wood bare for a natural look or stain it to match your home's exterior. Over time, the wood develops a charming, weathered patina, enhancing its appeal. Adding climbing plants like wisteria, ivy, or jasmine to soften the structure creates a romantic garden nook. Consider a sleek, modern pergola for those of you with a more contemporary taste. This type of design typically features clean lines, aluminum or steel frames, and a minimalist aesthetic. It's perfect for urban homes or spaces with a modern architectural vibe. The metal structure not only adds durability, but also requires minimal maintenance. You can opt for adjustable louvers or retractable canopies for added functionality, allowing you to control the amount of sunlight or shade throughout the day. Imagine lounging under your pergola with a retractable roof, adjusting the shade with a button. Next up is the attached pergola. This design is perfect for those who want to extend their indoor living space into the backyard. By attaching a pergola to your home, you create a seamless transition between the indoors and outdoors. It's ideal for patios or decks, providing a shaded area where you can relax or dine without leaving the comfort of your home's proximity. You can enhance the space with string lights or outdoor curtains for privacy and intimacy. Whether hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening, an attached pergola makes the perfect addition to any patio. Now, if you love entertaining, a pergola with a fire pit might just be the game changer your backyard needs. Imagine gathering around a cozy fire with family and friends, surrounded by the rustic charm of a pergola. You can choose to build the pergola out of wood, metal, or a combination of materials, depending on the vibe you're going for. Pair the fire pit with comfortable seating, perhaps even built-in benches, and you've created the ultimate gathering space for roasting marshmallows, telling stories, or simply enjoying a warm evening under the stars. Adding a fire pit to your pergola area extends the usability of your backyard, making it a go-to spot even during cooler months. Speaking of gathering spaces, have you ever thought about placing a dining area beneath your pergola? Outdoor dining is one of life's simple pleasures, and a pergola can provide the perfect backdrop. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or a formal dinner party, a pergola over your dining table adds an element of sophistication and charm. You can dress up the area with chandeliers, hanging lanterns, or twinkle lights for evening dinners, creating a magical atmosphere that will leave your guests in awe. The pergola provides just the right amount of shade during the day, while its open structure lets in a cool breeze. Add a trellis of vines or hanging plants to make the space feel even more inviting. Don't have a large backyard? No problem. Pergolas aren't just for sprawling landscapes, they can be scaled down to fit smaller spaces. In fact, a small pergola can actually make a compact backyard feel more defined and functional. Whether you use it as a shaded retreat for a cozy seating area or as a stylish cover for your outdoor spa or jacuzzi, the options are endless. Now, let's talk about style. Pergolas are incredibly adaptable, and you can customize them to reflect various architectural and design styles. For example, if you love Mediterranean or Tuscan aesthetics, consider building a pergola with terracotta tiles, wrought iron accents, and climbing bougainvillea. This style is all about warmth, color, and organic beauty. The combination of sun-soaked terracotta and the vibrant magenta of the flowers creates an inviting space that feels like a mini Italian getaway right in your backyard. And finally, don't underestimate the power of lighting when designing your pergola. Lighting can completely transform the mood of your space, taking it from day to night with ease. Whether you choose soft string lights, hanging lanterns, or built-in LED strips, lighting adds warmth and ambiance to your pergola. It's especially important if you plan to use the space for evening dinners or late-night gatherings. The soft glow creates a magical atmosphere, making your pergola the perfect place to relax or entertain long after sunset. So there you have it, 50 backyard pergola ideas that will inspire you to transform your outdoor space. The possibilities are endless, from rustic wood designs to modern metal structures, then from intimate spaces to grand outdoor kitchens. A pergola is more than just a decorative feature. It's a functional extension of your home that invites you to spend more time outdoors. So, start planning your dream outdoor oasis today and watch as your backyard becomes the go-to spot for relaxation and gathering with friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite backyard pergola design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.